Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today right behind me we have a very beautiful crayon grey 718 GT4 that is being sent in for this IPE exhaust upgrade. So now I'm going to unbox the exhaust. Alright, so here it is. This is the IPE titanium catback system for the GT4. And before we begin installation, we will start up the car and do a few reps, listen to how does the GT4 sounds like with the factory exhaust system. And later, once we have the factory exhaust removed from the car, of course, we will put it side by side with the IPE system to do a comparison and also some technical talks about the differences between the factory system and the IPE system. Alright, so we have removed the factory rear muffler section, the catback, out of the GT4, and now let's talk a little bit more about the differences between this factory catback system versus the IPE system. So first of all, on the catback system, as you can see, this is the standard GT4 catback section, and this is massively heavy, and also it actually kills off a lot of sound on the GT4. And right over here, this IPE system, this is a full titanium system, so it is constructed out of titanium material. It is extremely lightweight. Definitely this weighs a lot lighter compared to the factory system. Later, we will also put both of these systems on the weight machine to find out what is the weight difference between the factory catback and the IPE titanium catback. So now let's talk about the IPE system. So this is how the IPE system looks like, and right over here, these are the valve flaps located on both left and right side. And for the valve control function, it is fully compliant with the factory control. So basically, we'll just plug in the vacuum lines onto these valves, and the owner can have the valves control by using the exhaust button inside the car. When the valves are fully open, of course, the exhaust gas flow will flow through here and goes into these larger pipes. Then right over here meets at the center X pipe section, and it exits to the tailpipes directly. And when the valves are closed, so the exhaust gas flow will flow through these smaller pipes, goes into the muffler box, then it exits from these pipes right over here, and then only it flows into this X pipe before exits from the tailpipes. So when you have the valves closed, of course the car will sound more quiet, and when you have the valves open, the car will definitely sound a lot louder, way more sporty with the valves fully open. So this IPE system is constructed out of titanium material, and it is extremely lightweight. Also, IPE did apply a layer of this high temperature heat protection on the muffler box, which is a very good touch to further lower down the exhaust temperature. And to the rear, the most eye-catching part definitely will be this beautiful chrome gold exhaust tips by IPE. So the owner has decided to go with this optional chrome gold tips because the standard tips that comes in a chrome silver color, and these tips, not only that they looks more beautiful, more eye-catching, and also it is way larger compared to the factory exhaust tips when you put them side by side for a direct comparison. With this IPE tips installed on the GT4, it will fill up the gap between the diffuser, and definitely it looks a lot more aggressive compared to the factory exhaust tips. I'm quite interested to know what is the weight difference between the factory muffler section and the IPE titanium system. So now I'm going to put both of this system onto the weight machine to find out the weight of the factory system and the IPE system, and how much weight reduction that you can get with our IPE titanium catback system on the GT4. For the factory catback section, so it weighs at 16.4 kilograms, which is quite heavy, I would say. And now let's find out how much does this IPE titanium catback system weighs. So for the IPE catback, as you can see, I can easily lift it up with one hand because of the lightweight titanium material. And now let's find out how much does this weighs. The final result, so this IPE catback section, the titanium catback weighs at only 10 kilograms, and that is a 6.4 kilograms of weight reduction over this very heavy stock catback section, and that is about 39% lighter compared to the factory system. So with the IPE titanium catback system, of course, you're not only getting the sound improvements, you will also get proper performance improvements with the lightweight titanium exhaust. Alright, so that's all for the product explanation part, and now let's get back to work to install this beautiful IPE titanium catback system on the GT4. And later, once we have all the parts installed, of course we will start up the car and do a few revs to find out how does the IPE catback system sounds like on the GT4 and how much difference it is compared to the factory exhaust system. And also probably we will drive the car out and do a few drive-bys to listen how does this IPE catback system performs on the road, how does the car sounds like driving on the road. And this is how the 718 GT4 sounds like with our IPE titanium catback system. Of course, this is not the final form because the owner has actually already planned for more modes on his GT4, which he tells me that he probably will have a set of aftermarket wheels, then also maybe in the future he will change the over axle pipes and maybe the headers along with a stage 2 ECU tune as well. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about this IPE titanium catback system on the GT4? How does it sound like, and also how does it looks like with this beautiful chrome gold exhaust tips on the car? If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content in the future.